machiegni migago nyinga Milton Ochieng. Jatend piny William Ruto bedo gi romo kod jokanyo mag chuk dar e sekta mar arita kwe pacho ka. Romo ma kamano timore ka jot ma jatend piny e bure Nairobi kendo ne geto yudo fungruok kod bero lwasi mag tich kendo nyayo uchumi mathurka. Chuk dar manie kembe ji giwegi osebedo ka ywago chudo mani piny kod rem chopo kare dwachgi kata tok bedo kod orak mochwe e kogno.
You are not workers on the periphery of our economy. You are indispensable members of our society and essential partners in Kenya's national security infrastructure. The 1.3 million Kenyans employed in the private security sector are not merely looking after our buildings. You are protecting livelihoods, enabling enterprise, and helping to keep our economy moving. You are also among the real hustlers of our nation. Kenyans who work long hours, carry immense responsibility, and ask only for a fair opportunity to advance. Your faith helped bring up the bottom-up economic transformation agenda into being. We have neither forgotten you or abandoned you. The promise we made to working Kenyans. That is why our reforms are connected to the reality of your lives. A private security officer who protects other people's homes should have a fair opportunity to own a decent home as well.